Now about water. For water, we only have few conditions. Do not boil your water. Do not use water filter, and don't drink bottled water. Why? Because when you boil the water, plain water has pranic energy, pranam. Okay, so when you boil it, that is vanished. Okay, and whenever you use filter also, what it will do is it will remove not just the dust particles, it will remove the minerals and particles also. Everything will be gone. So bottled water also, it has nothing. It is called mineral water, but actually they have filtered everything and given you. So you should drink plain water. Like here, whatever water we get from the tap, you can directly drink tap water, and you should take small sips and drink only when you're thirsty. They say that you should drink eight glasses of water in a day. Actually, drinking more water is also a problem because the kidney has to separate.
Kidney has to work more.
Yeah. So drink only what you want. I mean, only when you're thirsty, drink it and take small sips. If you gobble up and then you are drinking, right, what it will happen is tonsils will be spoiled. The tonsils job is to filter your water, and it will convert. If you're drinking cold water, it will convert the temperature to normal temperature before it sends inside. So it has to work very fast. That's why we say you take small sip, you enjoy that water, and then you drink. What will happen is all the minerals, 20% of minerals that you are supposed to get from water, you will get. Air energy, breathing in air, we say that don't sleep in closed environment. There should be proper ventilation in wherever you are sleeping. Our suggestion is don't use aircon, because what is the temperature of aircon? We keep 25 or 18 or whatever temperature you are keeping. When that temperature touches our body, okay, our body has to convert this 18 or 25 to 36. So that much glucose and oxygen is being used. Yeah. So at least while sleeping, what happens? We are in the same position for 8 hours, right? So at that time, the circulation of air should be proper. And if the whole night the body is trying to change the temperature, means everything is wasted. So the other things which it has supposed to do, it will not do. So that's why make sure that you keep your windows open. If you are breathing in air properly for a whole night, what you will find it, you can sleep peacefully. Actually, you will get into deep sleep faster, and then you will wake up fresh. Just by improving the air in your house, you can actually feel more healthy. Okay, so now it is not possible because everywhere we go there is aircon, train, bus, even in even in office. But what we need to do is we need to make sure that we are not too cold or we are not too hot. Okay, make sure that wherever you are going, your body is able to tahan whatever temperature it is having. Okay, so that is for air energy. Next is sleep. By sleeping we get space energy. We also talked about different types of energy, right? When we sleep we get space energy. So there are two things: sleeping and resting. Everybody knows what is sleeping, but what is resting? When you lie down on your bed, what three things happens before actually you get into your sleep mode? First is whatever you have eaten, that food will be digested. Then second is your body temperature will come to normal, that is 36 degree. Then your mind and your body will become normal. Means, for example, morning whatever you have been thinking, something you wanted to remember but you forgot, but at night when you try to sleep, right, that thing will you will remember that point. How does this happen? Because your mind is trying to arrange everything that has happened in the whole day. So it's like in a library, they scatter all the books for the whole day, but at night they keep back everything, right? Similarly, our body will arrange everything. In the daytime you might have felt anger or fear or something with someone, but at night you will remember the same thing again because it is trying to arrange. So in order to happen these four things, that is to digest food, to make your body temperature normal, to arrange your mind, and to arrange your body, it takes 4 hours. Okay, then after 4 hours, after these four things happens, only then you will go into deep sleep. But what we do is, I can't sleep, and you go and watch your phone or you watch your TV. Okay, so we should not do that, because how we sleep depends on what kind of work we have done during the daytime. If, for example, today is Sunday, what you did is you went to Sentosa. The whole day you went to Sentosa. So morning till night you didn't do anything. You just you have given more work to your body. You lie down on your bed and you'll immediately fall asleep because you never use your mind or your brain, right? But tomorrow when you go to work, the whole day you have been working on something.
In a
Okay.
position, but use it as the mind only.
Yeah, so you have used up most of your mind and your brain. So at night what will happen, it will try to arrange all these things. It might take 1 hour or 2 hours before your body is ready to sleep. So you should allow that 2 hours. But supposing the four things, these four things, I can give you a technique which you can do it in, which you can achieve in half an hour. When you are ready to sleep, right, you go to your bed, and then instead of lying down and sleeping, sit and sleep. Sit and sleep means you keep a pillow or something, and then you can put in a slanting position, because when you sit and sleep, what happens is these four things will happen in half an hour. And then once you feel like, means you are ready to sleep, you lie down and sleep. 3.5 hours sleep will be enough, and morning you will feel fresh. Okay, nowadays what happens is these four things we get 4 hours, and after that the alarm will go off, and then what happens, you have to wake up. So nothing, no recovery has happened inside our body. All the recovery will happen only when we go into deep sleep. So if you are getting dreams in your sleep, it means that your mind and brain is still doing the arranging process. It is not yet complete. So dreamless sleep is the best sleep. So in order to achieve that, half an hour sit and just close your eyes. No need to do anything, just close your eyes, and after that you lie down and sleep, and you will feel you go into deep sleep immediately. These 5 minutes you do. Okay, see how much you can do daily. You improve, and based on what work you have given, you will start falling asleep faster. If we take a sleeping pill, right, what the sleeping pill will do is it will not allow these four things to happen, and immediately the body will start getting to sleep mode. So if you do this, the process that you have avoided, it will keep on accumulating, and one day the person might go mad. So that is why we don't recommend sleeping pills. Okay, so allow the body to rest first, and then go to sleep, or else sit and sleep. These two will help you to clear your mind and your body. So the last one is fire energy. So fire energy is giving some work to our body. Other than blood, there is another liquid that flows throughout our body, which is called as lymphatic acid. This lymphatic acid's job is to give medicine to all the parts of our body, and it is actually, the medicines are stored in the joints. So we should always do this 10 joint exercise daily, so that we can allow this lymphatic, it acts like okay, so when you give work to your body, only then this lymphatic acid will work. If you don't give any work to it, then it will not work. So, and because all the medicine is stored in the joints, so you need to at least do this 10 joint exercise. Okay, let me see if I can share the 10 joint exercise. How to keep our mind properly is to say and think only positive things. Okay, even to say, you should not say the wrong thing. Like you should not say no problem. If you say no problem, no problem 10 times in a day, you will have more problems. Okay, I give you an example. Two kids, one kid, they want to, they are going for an exam, and they went to pray to God. Okay, one first boy is saying, oh God, please pass me in this exam. If I pass, my father will buy a cycle for me, so please pass me, please pass me. Okay, the second boy is praying, oh God, please don't fail me in this exam. If I fail, my father will not buy me cycle. Please don't fail, don't fail. Okay, so the first boy will pass and the second boy will fail. Why? Because the first boy, what he has been saying, he has been saying pass. Okay, but the same thing, don't fail. Even though you're saying don't fail, you understand that the universe or the God don't understand grammar. The word that you have been using again and again is fail, fail, fail. So what we are saying is actually vibrating in our universe, in our, wherever we go, we are vibrating that only. What thoughts you are thinking, that is getting vibrated, and you are attracting that. So if you are saying good things and if you're thinking good things, then you will attract more good things. So if you're saying the wrong thing and you're thinking the wrong thing, you will attract that. So what you say is very, very important. If you have already watched The Secret or you have already read Secret, you can watch again and you can actually follow that. Don't say the wrong thing and don't think the wrong thing. Even thinking should be correct. So knowledge is like a power. Okay, so if we have any problem, means we don't know something. So what we need to do is we need to increase the knowledge of that problem, and then the problem will become small. So similarly, the body knowledge, whatever I have said, I have just passed you some information about our health, our mind. Okay, so this will give you inner peace, because there will be no fear of disease once you actually listen to this and you understand about our body and the concepts that is happening inside. There will be no fear. You don't even have to follow it, but at least you know what to do when something like this happens.